Well, hey guys, and welcome to another episode of BFF. And guess what day today is?
I think you can already guess
Yes.
what I mean.
Those of you guys that watch all the time will realise, look.
McDonald's.
Yes. Very cool, eh? Yeah, and we're not even sure what we're going to be doing this weekend, I think. But we're going to the field on Saturday, aren't we? That'll be awesome. We need to make a start and getting going. We're all going tomorrow. We're all going tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to get this field all sorted out for Emily's horses. So yeah, guys, we'll be here.
And no the chips on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notifications.
You don't miss out.
There's a video, yeah. We're still building the gaming channel, and we have loaded the BFF Shorty Shorts channel with tons and tons and tons and tons and tons. David's got the, oh look, nice, the sick airsoft, you guys. Yeah, go and lift that up, give everybody a quick look. There we go, we might go out and do some shots, look. Sig airsoft magazine.
Yep, it's a gas mag.
Right, yeah. And you can pull back the slide, can't you? See? Then click. Nice.
If you want to uncock it, just press that.
Nice, eh? Nice. We got some juicy worms, big boy.
There's a whole
Has he been good?
area where
Has he been good at this little swimming pool by any chance, guys? Is he? Oh. But out for some food then, yeah, man. See, when you say food, he sees it.
Lots of food.
Want some
Lots
food?
of food.
You gonna get him then, Dabs? For Emily? Who's gonna get him? Remember, lift him up so his feet can't touch the ground. I know, Emily just seems to get a bit of a knock with this. Yeah. So if you've got him in such a way that he can't move his legs. Hey, you are a young man.
Around and you just hold him under.
Hello, young man. You hungry? You hungry boy? He's just a hungry boy. And yeah, he's just a hungry boy. Nah, you see it. He just doesn't do anything quickly, do you, Spike? Oh yeah, he's getting up now. But the other one, darling, look. What's that? What's that, darling? Just does things in his own time, doesn't he? Yeah, we're watching Ender's Game just now on Netflix. Hey, Spike. Oh, that's better, isn't it, son? Always good getting a bit of food in the belly, isn't it? Oh, I think he's starting to see it. He's off. Takes his time.
Always
Takes
goes
your
for the
time.
head.
Oh, still got a wee bit in there, darling. Look. You see it? Now you want another one. I thought we were going to try him with cockroaches tonight. Oh. Not now. Which you want to have first, he thinks. Which one are you going to have first? You're just a hungry boy, aren't you, son? How about that last one? You've got there you go, well done you. Yeah, he's... Now we're going to try a dubia cockroach with him now, you guys. Oh, that's a big one, isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
That is a big one, son. Oh, can you manage it? Can you manage it?
Oh, the off that off.
Oh my god!
Whoa! There's tons of them. And that's him barking. He does like to be in his house, guys, don't you, son? Eh? You do like to be in your house, don't you? That's right, you got a full belly. And he's got his lamp on as well, guys, because he needs that lamp to digest his food, you see. Hey, Spike. Need a wee bit of sunbathing.
10 bugs.
A wee bit of sunbathing, about 10 bugs you've had, yeah? Good boy. Good boy. It's morning, it's morning.
Good morning. Today we're gonna get to the field.
Let's get up to the horsey field. We missed it last weekend, I can't remember why. There's something we were doing, I can't
Probably
remember.
because we were bothered to do it.
Aye, that's pretty terrible. But the weather's lovely, isn't it? So we're going to head up and have a nice little chill out as well.
This is also my first time
Oh, very nice. Maybe for weekends. Made for weekends. And here we are up at Emily's field. You actually own a wild bunny.
And I put my arm down.
Look at the fluff. They've definitely got babies. I think we'll just leave them, eh? We could always take a nature camera up, eh? And wait for them to see them come out. That'd be awesome. But yeah, guys, we're here at the field, if you can see. And what we're trying to do is get all this fence straightened out and sorted out. This is the worst part, just around about here. Most of it's kind of straightforward. But hopefully you'll see we've done, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 posts, I think. And we should make it to the bottom, and that'll be a good day's work. But this is what Emily's talking about, guys, and you can see all the fluff. So they're definitely making bed for their babies in there, so she'll have babies. And once we go away, they'll come out. Yeah. And once we're away, they'll come out, they'll be fine. Yeah, so as you can see, that's Emily's field. That's south, by the way. You can see the sun coming round. So this should be a lovely shaded spot for the horses. But it means I really need to get this fence so it can really be. That one was down, so was that one. As you can see, we're starting to get it all straightened up now as we go down. Right into that corner. There's my boy. Emily's turn, isn't it, son?
Yep.
And check out Emily's got all ready to go. Well, Mummy just make sure she's all sorted out.
You good?
There we go. The helper work on the boat. Out on the bike, baby.
Yeah.
It's a lovely day for it. I'll have to go out and do a proper vlog though.
Now it's just getting on the bike.
So that's us back to the house, guys. We're going to blast on the Fireblade. Now on the Birnie Family channel, the Birnie Family channel, I put on motorbike vlogs of me going around the roads in Scotland. Is that the action camera?
Yep.
So I'm going to out with Emily, and I'm out with Davido. Hey, and Mummy's going to cook a lovely chicken for us for tonight.
Nice.
The biker chick is ready to go, you guys. Let's hit it, Ems. Let's hit it. And check it out, you guys. Yeah, we're going to go for a little blast to Lossiemouth because it's... Ah, my glasses, yes. We're going for a little blast to Lossiemouth, aren't we? You just need your leather jacket on hand. That's it. Cool. And then we'll hit the road. Yeah, so we're heading out to Lossiemouth, guys. We've been there quite recently, but it'll be beautiful there today with this amazing blue sky and sunshine. Yeah, so guys, we're here at the top of town. We've got Emily on the back, and we're going to take a different road to Lossiemouth, which is going to be absolutely beautiful today. So here we go. We're going to head east. We've got Emily in the back, so we'll obviously be taking it quite easy for a wee girl. But she does keep screaming, go faster, Daddy, faster. There we go. You okay, Emily? I know, I really need to get some helmet comms. But a list of things I need at the moment. Right, let's get out of here. I'll get right here. Now the roads can be quite dark, so let's keep my eyes open. Lossiemouth, the jewel of Murray. It certainly is. It's gorgeous. Now here we go. So this is the mouth of the River Lossy here, you guys. The one we always go on about. This is when it comes out. Oh yeah, look at the bikers. There's a queue to get some ice cream. There we go. Right, baby. Oh. She should want to step out onto the pavement just nicely if I've done my parking properly. With the stand down. Oh, is that better? But this view never gets old. I mean, look at this. You can see. I'm going to take David away up to that part when we do our vlog with David. Eldon's just kind of over there, and away we go down the east coast. Here she goes. We'll get a wee photo shoot before we go on back to the house. Right, you guys, so basically what we've done, Eldon's over there, we've driven out that road and then we've come through the trees and back into Lossy Mouth ends. So guys, Emily's just done a wee photo shoot, always like a good thumbnail. But Emily reckons it's beach time shortly.
Yep.
I mean, that would have been lovely to go to today,
Yep.
But what happens in Scotland, guys, is we have a lovely March normally, and then we get snow. So here we are back at the house. Hello, I know, I'm sorry we can't take in the bike daily. That just wouldn't work at all, would it, son?
Yeah, imagine we actually caught really have to ride a motorbike. She has her tiny motorbike. Like a mini motorbike for Bailey.
And we've got a bit of chicken on the go, have we, son, for tonight?
I got some pizza.
Superb. Well, this is David's turn now, isn't it? We're going to head out into the countryside and have a look around, I think.
Let's go super fast.
Oh, super fast. Yes, this is where we're going. Now the road is blocked. Oh, see, sorry guys, I'll have to edit this part out. Oh. Now, have I been a dope? Have they opened up the road again? Oh, they might have done actually. Ah, well, we'll just walk on the way back to you. Well, there's some proper Highland trees, look. Look at these guys. Hey guys! They are beautiful. Hello. Hey, I'm getting some food. You guys are monsters. Right. See you soon, you guys. Because we have to come back down this way. So it should be really beautiful. We'll get a wee run on the way back too. Ah, it's blocked off. Yeah, they've blocked it off, David. Right, let's stop for a wee break, eh, son? Yes, I thought we'd just switch out to the away from the action cam. We'll see these guys properly with the Canon cam. And there they go. And they're just gorgeous, aren't they? So pretty. Yeah, they're not happy at all. Eh? I know, guys, I'm sorry. Just come for a wee look.
I'm gonna do a magic.
Go! Nice!
All I did was hold the trigger, pull this down, let go.
Nice! A little Bailey, look, I'm sorry, we can't take Bailey out, can we, darling? God, look at the mess. Oh my goodness, David was sleeping down here last night, weren't you, son? And there's little Miss Ems.
Hello. Pizza.
Busy, oh, David's got pizza. Busy on our YouTube shorts. You like your YouTube shorts?
I want to eat my pizza during the movie.
And I always say, guys, that we've got our own BFF Shorty Shorts channel we've been building since Christmas time, haven't we? Can't remember how many videos are on there now, quite a lot. We'll just keep adding to them. Bailey, Spike the Mike. Where's Spike? What are you up to, son? Hey, you hungry boy? Need some food?
You know the ones that you find like on the bottom, like a home screen?
Uh-huh.
They're the one with the most likes.
Ah, right, okay.
So if one of ours get a lot of likes, they'll pop up on one of
Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like our videos, guys. That would be awesome, wouldn't it? Yeah, we're still building. Gaming channel will probably take the whole year to build, I'd say. I would say. Shorty shorts, not much longer now. We'll have quite a few on there, so that'll be awesome. But tonight, it is disaster movie night, and we are doing a double feature. One is the day after tomorrow, and the other one is called 2012. So that's what we're away to watch.
Two of the ones that I really like.
Yeah, so we're going to pop them on very shortly, eh, Bailey? No pizza for you, Bells. No pizza.
pizza.
No, no, no.
I don't know if you'd even like pizza, because you can't even eat bread.
Yeah, so we're on the 2012 we're on now, isn't it? We're watching. Whoa!
Did it?
You're the man, son.
Oh,
You're
I
the man.
gotta go do my makeup.
Yes, the kids are. I'll explain it in a minute. Right, guys. So here we are.
But no messing around and not using too much.
Yes.
Because this is my makeup. These are just from Mom's collection.
Right. So we are doing makeup. David's going to do some makeup. Emily's going to do some makeup. Yeah.
Don't we use foundation first?
Who knows, son? Who knows?
Yes, we do, but I don't think either me or Mom has powder.
No. Right. So you're going to go
I
for
think
it.
Mom does have powder, but I think it's just empty. And guys, that's you. That's you.
There's the mirror. Look, that's you guys. Look in the Canon cam. There we go. Right. So we've got some foundation. We've got. Oh, we'll get everything, guys.
What
Everything.
is this stuff? Makeup. I don't even know what half the stuff is.
Is Emily going to put on your makeup, my boy?
No,
No.
we're doing our own
You
makeup.
do your own makeups.
I have this mirror, she has that mirror. This is what we're going to use for our foundation. I just want to see it.
So this is a Scottish Saturday night, people. We are watching a disaster movie through the house. Right. I think you'll have to help David a little bit.
No, yeah, I think I may have to use. I'm trying myself. That's all you need. And then just pick up the bits from there.
Right, so here's Dav's. I'm learning something too, guys. It's, I haven't put much makeup on
Oh,
in
my
years.
mirror.
Oh, yes.
Avatar the Last Airbender. I am the Avatar the Last Airbender.
Emily's giving it wickets. She's put on makeup a little bit more than my boy, right enough.
Yeah, I'm not.
Emily's just yapping it on, look.
I probably should have worn a headband. I've done my foundation.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what you do after foundation, maybe a lips.
I don't think so. You have to ask Emily.
Avatar the Last Airbender.
Well, they did wear some of that in Avatar, didn't they? Oh, Braveheart.
I got a unibrow.
Camera down to Emily.
Yeah, David is washing his off.
He's washing us off. Well, there you go, son. You did good though, son.
Yeah.
Emily's just going to crack on. Ooh. It's all black. Emily's going for blue on one side, pink on the other.
It's red.
It's red. Oh,
It's like Harley Quinn's hair.
Get it right, Steve. Get it right.
What David was actually doing his lipstick, he just went like
Just smeared it
outside,
across.
not on his lips, outside his lips. My face is black. David's it's a little black.
You look like you've just come out the coal mines. He's been digging for
I'm a
coal.
coal miner.
You have to go down and show them, son. Hey, it's a coal miner. He's a coal miner. Look at that, eh? So Beauty and the Beast. We did one of our very first YouTube videos when we were doing makeup, me and you. We were a lot littler then.
It's getting better.
It's getting better, son. It's getting better. I was expecting bright red like a clown.
I don't have bright red. I don't have bright red.
Looking good. Oh, this is a bit I'd get wrong. Not good with fiddly. That's like fiddly job, that.
No, not to me.
No. Oh, you got some makeup wipes for yourself, have you, son?
And Emily.
Oh, and for Emily. And just the blusher to go. What was it on?
Yes, but I still have to do the little heart.
Oh, the
So,
little part.
one moment I have to look at the
Right, Emily is determined to do this rotten thing back to front. It is really hard. Just do straight T's. I don't know how you're going to do it, Emily. I couldn't do it. Here she goes. She's going to have a go though. That's always a great thing about young Emily. She'll have a go at it. Right, an E back to front.
Is it just like that? Or is it like it?
Ah, that's it. You just what you did there. There. And you go up. That's it. Right. It's
It
not
looks
bad.
like a 9.
And if you just do the N, it's right though. If you just do the N, just like a semicircle, you know, just. Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's the wrong way around, but hey ho.
I am gonna start. I'm gonna start the art though.
Now, my young Emily is anything but rotten. She cares a lot for people, you guys. Let me tell you.
That's just for the.
Just for the makeup. So is that like Tipex?
Huh?
Well, you guys, maybe you guys don't use Tipex.
I don't know.
Or is that Otten? Look, the R's gone. Otten. Emily, I don't know what an Otten is. Otter? It looks like otter. Looking good, looking good. The finishing touches, people. The finishing touches. All the attention. That's it. Yeah, yeah. I know it doesn't look right, but it is.